This is my dirt house. It took me 4 days to build.
Alright everyone, so today we're doing something very different. As you can see, we're moving on from the old right there, that dirt house, which honestly, it was a pretty cool house. It was perfection, not gonna lie. But today we're going to be trying something very different. This is actually a really cool redstone map. It's going to build our house. We're done with the dirt house. I'm tired of working in Minecraft. I want to go ahead and let redstone do all the work. And that is what's going to happen today. So this chest, from this chest right here, this chest itself is going to build us the house. Now, Alexton, how is this possible? Minecraft doesn't work like that. A chest is used for storage. No, that is completely wrong. This right here is going to defy the physics of this game. This chest is going to build ourselves a lovely looking mansion. So that dirt house is no longer going to be our home. This will now be our home. So what we have to do, by the way, if you want to see more maps and mods and parkour stuff, definitely go ahead and let me know down below in the comment sections. I did have one of my map builders and actually part of the team. His name is Panda. You know who you are. He actually has a few maps that I'm going to be testing out pretty soon for some parkour. So I'm looking forward to that. So if you guys want to see that, go ahead and smash that like button. I'm definitely looking forward to some new content on the channel, and this is the way to go. So what we have to do right now is we have to place this ender eye inside the chest. And after that, everything will be possible. Our dreams will come true. Here we go. Moment of truth. Let's try this. So all we have to do is put this inside the chest and then just step back. Oh boy, here it is. Check it out. So right now, oh, turn into an ender. Oh, there it is. Oh, what is this? Hold on. Oh, this is going to be crazy. It's going in the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, our chest is starting to build our home. What is going on? This is crazy. And it's now shooting blocks. Oh my goodness. This is actually kind of crazy. This is honestly, this would have saved me so much effort in building homes if I could have something like this. Oh, what? What is this? Oh, this is insane. Okay, so technically, okay, so it's shooting out fire to turn it into brick, which is insane. This is actually kind of cool. Not gonna lie. I'm gonna miss this thing, but this right here is the real house. Look at it's even putting like decor and everything. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Like, what is going on? I don't know. Comment down below in the comment sections if you have seen anything like this before. I know this map has been around for about a year now, but this is the first time I'm actually experiencing this myself. Dude, look at this thing. It's shooting out like blocks out of an ender chest. It's literally just throwing them in the air. It's just like money, just shooting money in the air. It's building this insane house. Dude, this thing has better building skills than I could ever do right here. Look at this. And it's actually let me go inside here. This is crazy. Oh, what is going on now? Okay, I think it's starting to put glass now. Okay, this is insane. So it's starting to shoot out sand, which then in a hopper goes through the furnace, and then through the furnace it pushes out glass. So it is actually doing everything through. It's not just shooting out like creative blocks. It's actually making it on the spot, which is quite insane. What else is left? Dude, this is actually insane. This is like 2 levels tall. It's a modern house. Wow, this is crazy. So compare, honestly, in the chat, at the end of this building, we're going to compare the two. Would you rather have the dirt house, which is quite honestly still beautiful, or would you rather have this one? And it looks like, I think it's, oh, it's still not done. It's not done yet. Oh, what is going on here? Oh, what? That is crazy. Did you see that ender chest just move inside? And the inside is all like full of inventory, and it's still going. Hold on, we got to check this out for ourselves. Is it actually still? I think it's done. Oh my gosh, this is insane. It even built pretty much a fence around this whole area. This whole place was just designed in a matter of like 30 seconds. That is honestly mind-blowing. Maybe a minute or so, but let's check it out. Honestly, I want to check this out now. So everything around here was just put in nicely. I mean, this is insane. Insane. Okay, so let's go inside. I just want to see if there's anything around this place, but this is kind of crazy. All right, let's go inside here and check out what this thing has done, what redstone here has made for us. So we have ourselves all this iron armor here. We have, oh wait, no way. Don't tell me we can press this. What? What? No, let me press this now. Oh, what? Dude, this is crazy. You can change your armor as well. And let's see, what is this? What does this do? No way. Hold on. This actually, so if I want to bring something up there, does it bring it? Wait, hold on. All right, that turns out the fire. Oh wait, that's a chest that just pops up. That is insane. Dude, all of this was done by just a machine. I did not do anything to this. So I can store my items in there and then just say, see you later, and then it's gone. It's completely gone. And I can turn back on the fire. Oh, this is absolutely insane. This is probably one of the coolest houses I've been in a while. I definitely want to explore. What's this? Light? What did that do? What did that do? I need to know. What did that do? I'm not entirely sure what that did. All right, let's keep checking out. We got a crafting table here. Okay, cool. So we got a crafting table that pops up. We got the ender chest, but what is this here? Is it just on the ground? What's this mean? Empty. Did you meant to say empty? Do we put it back in here? What does that do? Imagine that just like completely just destroys the home. No, I don't know what this does. Unless we throw it. Wait, hold on. I just want to try it out. I'm just going to quickly throw it around right here and see what that does. Oh, so it's like reusable or something? Okay, that's kind of cool. All right, not too bad. All right, I'll put that back in here just for now. But that's crazy. So we have food in here, or does it cook it up? How does this work? So it looks like it's a hopper item. I'm not sure if it's supposed to cook it up. Not entirely sure. But that right there is already off the bat probably one of the coolest experiences I had with Redstone. Hold on, what's up here? Is there anything else? So we do have our we have an ender egg right here, which I just like this. Okay, well, it was there. It's gone now. There's one outside. Does it move around? What is this? Hold on. Is it just like move around, or is that just an extra one that I did not spot until now? Let's actually see this. Okay, yeah, I completely got rid of the, they're gone. Never existing again. They're gone. But dude, this is insane. Just looking around this house, it is absolutely amazing. So we just, oh wait, it is over here now. It keeps moving around. Okay, that's kind of cool. So yeah, that's the house right there. Now we're going to go ahead and do a quick little tour to the dirt house, as we mentioned in the beginning. So this is the dirt house over here. You guys probably saw it in the beginning as a little clip there. So we have the masterclass building. We have perfection. We have the next best thing. And we have dirt. So inside, as you can see, in the MTV crib style right here, we have a bed, a chest, not even a furnace, but a crafting table. There's not even enough room for a furnace in here. You have to actually make it yourselves. So here we go. This is the dirt house. There's the end of the tour. It's pretty nice, not gonna lie. It's got a rose back here as well for a little bit of decoration. So you guys in the comment sections get to decide which house is the better house out of the two, the dirt house or the futuristic house. I'm not gonna lie, I just want to go in here and just live forever in this house. Like, I want to bring this redstone contraption and bring it into my survival let's play or into an SMP, because this would help me out and just forget about building a house. We'll just have this and it's completely done. But it's absolutely insane. I don't know if I can do /game mode spectator. I don't think, oh, there is. So I don't think there is, oh, look at this. So there is, oh, that was, I think, me originally? I'm not sure how that works. So here is all the redstone. Oh my gosh. This is what it took to build this house. I'm not really good at redstone and commands, but this right here, if you guys know what your, if you know your commands in your redstone, this right here is absolutely insane. It is crazy. So I guess there's like random orders on how this works. I have no idea what I'm looking at right now. All I know is this is what built our house, which is absolutely insane. We have all the armor here, the armor contraption, which shifts everything up, which is something I might actually look into to adding. But yeah, this was absolutely crazy. If you guys enjoyed today's episode, definitely go ahead and hit that like button. If you'd like to see more, definitely go ahead and let me know in the comment sections if you have any other maps you want me to try out, parkour stuff, anything you have in mind, definitely go ahead. We have a lot of new content coming to the channel, so stay tuned for all of that. If you want to check out this map yourself and give it a shot with the redstone contraption, link is down below in the description. Other than that, thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and see if we reach 100 to 200 likes on this episode of this redstone contraption house build. My name is Alex, and peace out and stay foxy.